Hey everyone, welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to use Act CRM, a powerful customer relationship management tool. In this video, I'll guide you through its features, how it works, and how you can navigate it. So even if you don't have an account yet, you'll still learn everything you need before signing up. So Act CRM is designed to help businesses manage contacts, automate marketing, and track sales efficiently. So you might be wondering, what is Act CRM? So Act CRM is a customer relationship management tool designed for small and medium-sized businesses. So this also helps manage contacts, track interactions, automate marketing, and boost sale efficiency. So this system has been around for years and has a reputation for reliability and flexibility. So let's now explore the Act CRM's features. So first we have the contact and lead management. So this is one of the most useful features, which is the contact and leads management. So you can store customer details, track communication history, and you could also set up follow-ups. So the system allows for segmentation, which makes it easy to categorize leads based on a different criteria. So they also have sales pipeline tracking. So the sales pipeline feature helps you to track the deals at different stages. This also allows you to assign tasks, set priorities, and forecast revenue. So sales teams can also use this feature to collaborate more efficiently and then focus on high value leads. So third on the list of the feature of Act CRM is the marketing automation. So Act CRM includes marketing automations tool to send emails, then you can also track campaigns and measure customer engagement. So you can set up automated follow-ups and customer nurturing campaigns. So these tools help businesses stay connected with the customers without manual effort. And then fourth on the list is the task and calendar management. So in this feature, you can set reminders, schedule meetings, and manage your workflow. So Act CRM syncs with Outlook, Google Calendar, and other apps, which is really good for people who uses all these applications to make it easier for them. Now, it also the task on automation ensures that you never missed follow-ups and deadlines. So this helps with the people who are very busy and forget to do the things that they have to do. Now, lastly on of the feature is the customization and user permissions. So Act CRM allows businesses to customize fields, dashboards, and reports. So you can set different user permissions to control access. And this also helps the businesses create a secure and personalized experience. Now let's talk about the Act CRM pricing and plans. So Act CRM offers different pricing plans tailored for businesses of all sizes. Now let's take a quick look at what each plan includes. So some plans come with advanced automation and analytics features. So let's see it in here. So here is where you can see the pricing in here. So step one is you have to pick your package. So work the way you want. You can have the Act Premium Cloud. You can also have the Act Premium Desktop. So if you compare the two, this one is the most cheap. So let's see the feature of the Act Premium Cloud. So this is the Act Premium Cloud, the CRM Plus Marketing Automation. So in this, you have to pay for $30 or for $40 with desktop sync. So you have to pay additional $10 for this. Now, this is what you're going to pay monthly. Here you will see it. You can also pay this annually. You can set that up. And now, why do you have to choose the cloud? To enjoy the convenience and peace of mind of a cloud-based solution where you handle all the technical details. So here's the feature that Act Premium Cloud has. So first is immediate browser and based access. They also have the world-class secure hosting and the automated updates and nightly backups. It also has robust mobile application, the Mac OS compatibility, and expert technical support, and lastly is the dedicated onboarding specialist. So you can also compare Act CRM features here. And then for Act Premium Desktop, so this has $39 for um this feature, I mean the plan. So you have to pay $39 for every month. Then if you want to subscribe now, you just have to click on this button right here. And now here's choose desktop to experience the security and control of an on-premises solution where you deploy and manage the software. So it has all these features. So first is networked and offline access. So you can access it offline. Wow. All right. So it also has self-managed security, complete control of updates, the expert technical support, and lastly is dedicated onboarding specialist. So if you're already using Act or you have questions, you can call and speak with them today. So you just have to contact them in this number. And first step 2 is you're gonna ask yourself, what do you need? So here are the features. So it has all these numbers right here, yeah, that you have to pay, of course. And lastly is the ready to act. So you can give them a call and talk to them for specifics and answer questions or schedule a demo. So you just have to subscribe now, or you can also contact them in this number right here. Now, if you guys want to set up or do the registration process, so if you decide to sign up, here's how to get started. So first is you just have to visit the official website and then click on sign up or start free trial. And then you just have to fill in your details and choose a plan. So now after the registration, you'll get access to the dashboard and you will see there all the features and the homepage of the Act CRM. Now, for those who don't know, Act CRM offers a mobile application to manage your business on the go. So they have a mobile application and integration. So you can also download that on your mobile device. If you're someone who uses phone always and doesn't use this laptop or iPad. So the mobile application also integrates with tools like QuickBooks, Outlook, and Zapier or Zapier. Now, mobile access ensures that sales teams and business owners can manage operations remotely. So this is really good for people who are busy and doesn't want to carry a big bag to carry their laptops like that. So I'm gonna show you the pros and cons of Act CRM. So for the pros, first is it is easy to use with simple interface. So as you can see, that their dashboards is very easy to understand, which is very great for people or for beginner people. So this is very beginner friendly. So if you're someone who doesn't want techy applications, you can use Act CRM because it's very helpful and beginner friendly. Now, second on the list for the pro is its powerful contact and sales tracking tools. So it's very nice. It really will help your business to grow. Now, it also has strong marketing automation features. So, if you're someone that doesn't have a lot of people on your business or on your company, this is really great since it has automation features. And lastly is its mobile and cloud-based access. Now let's talk about the cons. So first is it can be expensive for small businesses. So if you're a small business, then you can also go for other alternative application that are much more cheaper. But this Act CRM also offers cheap plans, so you just have to choose between those plans. And second on the list is some advanced features require additional setup. And lastly is the customization may require a learning curve. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about Act CRM. So if you're interested, you can visit their official website to explore further. Whether you're managing a small business or a growing enterprise, Act CRM can streamline your operations. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!